So if you want a better world, you have to move in that direction. You have to give up the things that prevent the world from becoming better. Well, when people got sick and began to die, they said it's the wrath of God. They're sick, they're being punished. Well, that's their karma. But the research attitude of science says karma bullshit. There's probably some swamp with mosquitoes, malaria, rats, something. Well, there's a lot of food growing here, and the soil is exhausted in iron and manganese. And these people are suffering from malnutrition, have brain damage, not because it's their karma, which is strictly fascist horseshit. And it's because that men haven't taken on the responsibility of saying, let's make the world a better place, rather than get down on your knees and say, let us have no more war, and let us have a brotherhood of man, and let our neighbors be peaceful and lovable. All you have to do is be lovable and peaceful, and discourage warlike attitudes. This is the job that religion ought to be involved in. If you believe that there is a supreme being, the supreme being would want you to do the things that bring about the brotherhood of man on earth. Not pray for it, do it. Don't pray for good corn crops. Dig and irrigate the ground. Grow healthy food. Do the best you can to take care of life. Men of science try to find answers, not merely say, well, I hope you have a happy New Year. Why don't you buy him an encyclopedia or a set of books or good music or something that'll make his life happy? Here's where you get the message real hard. Suppose I went to a doctor with gangrene in this region of the leg, and the doctor said, sit down. He took out all his instruments, put them on the table, very sincere doctor. And he said, believe me, I hope your infection goes away. I really hope it does. And he puts it off and puts away. Well, this is what the language of normal people sound like to me. The job is to get up off your ass and go to work.